everybody, welcome back.
He smelled the smellies.
He smelled the smellies. It's a new session, so I gotta remember what the hell we were doing. I know I died over here last time. It's gotta be something with it. Alright.
It doesn't have to be something to do with this.
Sure.
I mean, considering you can move the smelly inside, I feel like
Yeah.
you might have to climb on Toothless.
Yeah, I just don't know where.
What did we name her?
Trico.
No, we gave her a name. Fezzywig.
Fezzywig?
Yeah, her name was Fezzywig.
Wonder if I do it in the center.
Yeah, the center's the only one you haven't tried.
Is this about the center?
I guess. Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on, Fezzywig.
Alright. Go to the next one, because I wonder if I can jump up a little bit better up there. Alright.
She wants it.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. There we are. I mean, I assume this. I've got to jump up on something off of her back.
That's what it seems like to me, but...
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Haha!
Oh, I can. It's the vines that I'm climbing. Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
what did you
okay.
think you were climbing?
Well, that's what I was confused about before. Alright, so that's open. I guess I'm climbing down in that.
I guess. That's what it looks like. Where are we going?
Oh, okay.
No, that just puts you in there.
No,
Yeah.
it's higher up. See?
Oh, I see, yes.
Yeah, there's a little platform. Drop down, buddy.
You
Alright.
have to
Oh, I
close
gotta
it.
close that. Alright.
Shove it harder.
Oh, yeah. Smack your head on it. That'll work. Alright, is there anything else I can get or do in here? Nope. Okay, so I just had to undistract.
Yeah, I'm sure that'll be relevant later. Oh, now she's stuck.
Are you stuck now? What? What did you do? There you go.
Are you okay, Fezzywig?
You silly girl. Climb up, buddy. We'll see if she'll take us. Okay, yeah, that's not helpful.
She's gotta recover. She was just addicted to drugs.
Yeah.
Oh, look her scratch her ear.
It's pretty cute. Alright, let's go this way. No, let's go this way. Ooh.
Bless you. Where's she gonna go over there?
I don't know. I don't know where she's gonna go here either. I'm kind of trying to look around. I don't really see anything.
Trico ass.
Yeah.
Oh,
Alright, let me hop off.
bless you, baby.
Let me just follow my ass. Let me go this way and see.
What she does?
Yeah. I mean, she can't really. There's nowhere for her to be over here.
No. Maybe you shouldn't just run full speed. That's how you died last time.
Running full speed's all this kid knows how to do, though.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's full speed or like nothing. Oh, that's kind of a neat little. Where did she go? Oh,
Baby, I don't like you up there.
what's up, Trico? All right.
Don't you do that?
I don't think she can get any closer.
If
Can I
she
get to
gets-
anything from her up there though?
I don't know. Maybe.
Yeah, maybe. All right, hold on, let me go back and not fall to my death. Hopefully. Alright, so...
I think you can climb up.
Oh,
her.
tail. What? Kid.
Climb your Trico.
There we are.
You think that would hurt? The Trico.
Nah. She's super strong. No, up, straight up. Thank you. Oh, yeah. She's like,
I was trying to show you. What a good
Whee!
Trico. Thanks, Fezzywig.
up you go, kid. Whoa, whoa.
It's okay.
Oh god, the camera. Oh god.
He's grabbing
Oh,
her.
I'm on her.
Yeah.
Okay.
He rode her in. That's what happened.
Alright, she just jumped up there, I think.
I hope you weren't supposed to ride her up.
I don't think so. Yeah, here's a climbing thing. I'm coming, Trico. Fezziwig.
Fezziwig.
Fezzy Trico. Trico wig. Oh.
Okay, she's back.
Yeah. Well, because I took my time getting over there.
Ah.
Here we are.
Come on, camera, please. Camera, you gonna make us eat shit and we're gonna be unhappy.
There we go.
Come on, Fezziwig.
She up? I assume she's up there. There she comes.
What a good girl. I think you're gonna have to ride her down.
Yeah. Oh wait, I might be able to do. Oh no. Well, I probably can. Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you better, cause she going.
I know, right? There was a way over there. I could have gone down to. I think there was like chains and stuff on the wall. Could we? Could you? Okay, thanks. Yeah. See, I could have done that whole thing over there.
Oh well, you took the easy way. You rode your Trico down.
Yeah. Apparently.
She's like, come on, let's go.
Wait, is this where we just were? No. It's just another place with water.
No, we haven't been here yet.
Shh. Alright. So, let's look around, see what we're gonna do. Oh, hey, look. What's down here? Nothing. Okay. It's closed.
She needs some more barrels. Did she just roll in the water? Oh my god.
That is adorable.
Oh my god. She's so cute. Look at her.
Oh, wow, and she's even like all shiny wet, too.
Why would she be afraid of the water?
She needs a bird bath. That's cool.
She gotta get clean.
Oh.
That was...
Whoa. Oh. That is unexpected.
There's another one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was unexpected.
Alright. Well, I mean, we'll go in here. This is really the only place to go. Unless we go up, but I don't think that's the idea. I think we're going in here. Can I look up?
I mean, I know it said that you were going into the nest of them, but this game kind of like came across as your Trico is the only one left.
Yeah. That's kind of what I thought about it, too. Oh, that's a big hole. Okay.
It's a big hole.
What's up, girl?
What's wrong, Trico? Fezziwig. Did you see your friend, Fezziwig?
I don't know if she did, actually. I mean, we did, because the camera was like, yo, don't miss this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta go over here. Nope. Alright, where did Fezziwig go? She's... Oh, is this another climb her tail? Yeah, it is.
Whatever gave you that idea?
That was close. Up you go, kid. Oh, okay. I guess I wasn't supposed to jump over there then. I guess I just had to wait for her.
Yeah.
That's kind of the only complaint I've had so far, other than the controls being... Oh, did she just leave? Where did she go? Oh, she got down. Okay, because I...
You probably need to get back up in the middle thing.
Yeah, and just wait her out.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Come on.
Well, you just need to have patience, which
yeah.
you do not have.
I mean, we all know I struggle with that in most games.
Most games, he says.
Alright, could you put your tail somewhere I can grab it? Thank you. Nope. Knock it off. Oh.
Good thing this kid can unjoint his elbow.
I know, right? He's like dislocates his shoulder.
What are you doing, Fezziwig? Be still.
I'm gonna climb directly into her butthole if she's not careful. I don't even know. Yep, directly into her butthole.
She turned for you, so you could get over there more easily. What a good girl.
Alright, I guess I'm going to this.
That's where you're supposed to go.
No, I was trying to jump off, but
no, you were climbing to the top of her head, whether you like it or not.
I know, right? Alright, we're going this way. Alright, so...
Try to be careful not to fall in any giant holes.
I'm actually kind of looking for barrels, too. Yeah, I know, you can't go in there. I'm sorry. Yep, I'm also... Oh, hey.
Barrel!
I don't know, I was like, I knew there's gotta be one around here somewhere.
We're coming. Hang on, Angel Muffin. Talk to her like we talked to Isis.
I know, right? Well, there's another barrel down there, too. Oh,
Can you toss it to her? Will she catch it?
I don't think she'll catch it. I'm gonna throw it down here. Yeah, go get it. I'm not going back down there. There's another barrel over here. I don't want to have to go back down.
Well, this might be all you need up here, though. You might.
No, I gotta go open that gate on the far side.
Well, I mean, you might still have to get down eventually anyway.
Hopefully I didn't have to throw it over there near. I don't know.
Oh, yeah, maybe. Leave it up top. Leave that one up top where she can get to it and see if she eats it.
Right there? Alright, let me go this way.
I don't think that's close enough, but
yeah.
she is mesmerized by it.
Is that an eyeball thing?
Yeah.
Oh, it's broken though. It's already broken. Let go, kid. It's cool. Yeah, it's broken. I wonder if that's where I pushed the other one down.
Careful, you're gonna cut your fucking feet, kid.
Cut my feet up. Alright, let's pull this. I should open that. I still gotta somehow get her. Oh, it's gonna pick that. Oh, no. Oh, okay.
Into the fucking abyss?
Yeah.
Is that where you dropped that barrel?
No.
Okay.
Hey, no! Trico. Girl. No, we have barrels to eat. Come here. Come here. I got barrels for you. Oh, wait, what's this? Well, I just... That was the climb. Oh, I'm hitting the wrong button.
Oh.
Doesn't get me anywhere. I think it was just a... Alright, so she's still right there.
So if you throw that down there and you go down, she'll eat it.
Yeah.
But you have to go down again.
Yeah. Oh, wait. That was not what I wanted to do. Pick that up. Thread this down. So I wonder what I'm supposed to do with them to not have to backtrack so much. Wait, she just go down? She looked at it.
She's looking at it. She's thinking about it.
Go. Go get him.
She's not going to go without you, though.
I know, like, I was hoping I could, like, walk over farther to that side and she'd go down, you know, to try and get to me, but...
But then you won't be able to get down. You need to ride her down.
Go down. I'm doing my little dance. Alright, fine, I'll ride her tail down. She better not, oh, down we go.
Glitch like she did last time?
Well, no, I was just hoping she better not jump to the other, opening where we're supposed to be going.
No, I think she knows what's going on.
No.
Okay, well, her tail probably has a mind of its own, okay? That or you're fucking itchy.
Oh.
You ever have a small child crawling up your ass?
Come here, girl.
Come on.
There we
you
are.
go.
Don't you kick things at me. I'm trying to feed you. Come here.
She got it, she got it.
Alright, that one she got. Yeah. Alright, get the other one. Come here.
Don't hit her with it.
I know, I'm trying to throw it away from her so I don't hit her with it.
You can get it, girl.
There she goes.
Yeah.
Alright.
Now back up we go. Back on task. We fed our Tricor.
Tricor.
What is it?
Oh, wait, you're right. No, they're
Trico.
just called Tricos.
Tricos. Trico, yeah.
Alright. Up you go.
She's so cute. I don't know. I have a hard time telling if her horns are going back or not.
I don't think they are, but yeah, it is really hard to tell.
Yeah. I mean, we've been really good about not watching other people's playthroughs, so we can't really tell you in advance what to expect.
Yeah.
It's killing John, though.
Oh my god, come on, up.
He wants to watch Jack play it.
Oh, come on. Alright, pick a side. So I can climb not into your butthole this time. Because I wasted a little bit of time last time. There we
Trying to
go.
get out of your ass.
Can you just jump over and I'll ride you? Save us some time? Maybe?
No.
Nope. Alright. Well, that would have been convenient, but okay.
She's probably programmed to do this a certain way.
Well, yeah. We'll see. I like me as of yet. There's yet to be a situation where I can like command her. Oh, that was a bad jump. Command her from like on top of her and tell her where to go. She just seems to do more of a follow. She doesn't really do a go there.
Yeah.
Even though that seems to be what that dancing foot thing is, so it's a little confusing.
Maybe it comes into play more later.
Maybe. Alright, what do we got up here?
Nothing.
Yeah, jack and shit. So, down we go. Excuse me. Scusi? Miscusi.
You really should look before you start going into the...
I know, I was like, wait, one time there's not going to be stairs there anymore, and I'm just going to fall to my death.
Pretty much.
Alright, nothing down here. She can't fit through any of this, though, so...
Poor thing. She's going to be distraught without you.
Alright. I'm also looking for places barrels might be.
Yeah, definitely. So we're just seeing room.
Oh, she do fit. Okay.
She's not letting her small child out of her sight if she can avoid it. She has to protect you from the other Tricos. You're her small child.
This is a big area, so she should be fine here. Alright. Nowhere to really go.
Sit down.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to ride her though. That's well, hold on. Can I get down over here? Yeah, I can get down. Well, I meant for you to do this more safely, but sure, that works.
He's a child.
Ooh.
Here she comes. Landing on top of you. As she tends to do.
Hey, girl.
Why did epic music just... There's people! There's...
I know. Eat them. Is she gonna be mad?
Don't let them hurt her.
I mean, I can't fight them, so... I don't think I can. Oh yeah, that's not good. Does she? Oh, does she get angry when they hurt me?
Yes.
Where am I on her?
Yes.
Yeah. I got you, girl. Fuck 'em up.
You gotta get the stuff out of her.
Oh, I see.
You gotta save your Trico. Help her. Oh, these motherfuckers gonna piss me off. Yeah.
Did I get the spear out? I can't tell.
Yes.
Nope.
No. Honey, you gotta be still for a minute. It'll be okay.
Come on, pull.
Pull, kid, pull.
There we go.
There's another one on her other side.
Yeah, I saw it.
You're okay. They're gone. I think. Oh, did you pet her?
Yeah.
Give her some more pets. No, her. Have you not looked back there?
Different responses.
Pet her head. Pet her head.
Well, I can't get to her head right now. She's like in the post. Hey. You stuck in the post? Because that's kind of what this looks like. Thank you.
She's okay. Good girl. I don't care what this game says. She's a girl.
Yeah, I'm kind of with you on that. Alright, well, let's go get your barrel.
Poor thing. Well, she wanted... I know. Oh, this keeps happening.
There you go.
If things keep attacking her, I'm gonna get pissed at this game real fast.
Yeah. Nom. Alright. So. Random,
And obviously they're not human creatures.
What are we doing?
She loves you.
Oh. I can't go there. I was curious, like, why it was forcing a camera change on me, but the camera does what the fuck it wants in this game, so...
Too bad you can't take their weapons, but then that might upset her.
Yeah. And...
Is that another... No, that's just
alright, so we're gonna have to go up.
Yeah. Can you climb the pillar?
I'm going to have to climb her and then climb a pillar, I believe. Alright.
Oh, yeah. Yep, that appears to be the case.
Come on.
What a good girl she is.
Oh, I can just straight jump off her head. Okay.
Yeah.
That's even more convenient. She keeps her head straight.
She's trying.
Thank you.
She's a good girl. She just had trouble in that one place.
Yeah. Come on. Alright, well. I mean, I assume she'll just pop up. Yep.
There she go.
Yeah, there she is.
What a good girl.
Alright, onward.
So if there's another Trico running around this place, how come those monster things didn't attack her? Or the other one?
Yeah, I don't know.
I know, I don't like it in here either.
I gotta get down, but I think it's... Oh, no, I can get down. Like, I'm supposed to be able to, like, gently drop, but...
You haven't mastered that art yet? You're just gonna limbo?
Kid, just go. I keep hitting my head on this thing. I'm just gonna... No, just fucking jump. I was like, it's water, just go. I wonder if she's not gonna come down because it's water. Oh, shit!
Oh, she's coming down.
Oh, I'm on the wrong side of her.
That's alright. These motherfuckers gonna learn not to mess with her child. She's jumping on them. I love it.
Alright, where am I?
You're on her.
I feel like I have to calm her down after that.
You do.
Yeah. Yeah, she's got, you know, light eyes. Yep, I'm coming. I think, yeah, the farther up you are, the better that tends to work. Yeah, we gonna get you alright. There we go.
She's okay. Poor baby. Those dudes came out of nowhere and attacked her small child.
No, let me drop off her butt. Thanks. Alright.
Poor baby.
I think I gotta go up there, but I need to check down here for anything cool first.
Yeah.
Yeah, nope. Alright.
She's not gonna be able to follow you.
Don't jump, you little idiot. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna have to figure out where. She might be able to jump straight up, though. I don't know.
Oh, yeah, maybe.
If there's like a ledge she can jump up onto or what. Oh, yeah, she can jump like straight up right here. Yeah.
There she is. Good girl.
Alright, let's. Was there anything else I could go back to this way? I don't. Oh, there was. But I don't think there's anything over there, though. I don't. Yeah, I don't see a barrel or anything.
They glow pretty brightly.
Yeah, they do. Whoa.
Watch out, sweetheart. I know you're a big girl in a confined space.
Alright.
Not easy. You're gonna run headfirst into the other Trico.
I think that's probably what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
What's up with this door? Nothing. Okay. Can I pick up spears? Oh. That's not good.
Her tail!
No! Okay, well. We gotta fix that shit. Alright, I gotta get... Oh, can I... Where can I... It just
You gotta get in there somehow.
Yeah, it was like grip, but... I guess I'm close enough to trip that, but not close enough to do it. Okay. Excuse me, girl. Let me figure out how to get in there.
It's okay, we'll get you out.
Alright, something on the other side of this door. Nope, okay, I can't push it. What's down here? Not a damn thing. Alright.
So how do you... It's okay, baby, hang on.
Alright.
We'll get you, don't worry.
Oh, okay. What's this?
Probably opens that door.
Oh, dudes. Alright. Oh, fuck me. Fuck me.
She's gonna hurt herself.
Yeah. She killed them all yet? No, not yet.
You might have to leave.
No, they're they're being dumb. Is that all of them? Nope, there we go.
Now you gotta calm her down.
Yeah, there we go. Calm down, little girl.
Poor thing. It's okay.
Hopefully I've baited all of them here.
Hopefully. Oh, it's
All
okay.
right.
We're gonna get you out of here. You protected us.
That was an awkward fall. Alright. Doors was opened.
There's
one more. But there's a ladder here that I
Yeah.
probably need to do first. Alright, let's go. Yeah, this is what I need.
apparently the point of this game is put your Trico in danger
And then save it.
and
Yeah.
save it. Strong ass kid.
Move your tail. Move your tail. Move
She's good.
Alright. Good girl. Nope. No, whatever. Did she come this way? Oh, she still got angry eyes a little bit. Where's she?
She
Ring.
sees him.
Oh!
Oh, she gonna go get him.
Oh, damn! She fucked him up.
They just wanted you to see that.
Now I gotta go calm her down, though.
Yeah.
She's kind of stomping on his dead, lifeless corpse.
She's all fluffy.
Oh, she
Look how
is.
fluffy she is.
I'm trying to climb her. It's
I
not
know.
going well. She's a little,
She's upset. This kid takes some damage.
I know this kid don't mess around.
Well, it's
Alright.
like me trying to calm down a wild animal.
Alright, yeah. Yeah, let me calm down your shoulder blades. Your shoulder... No, no chill. Come here. There we go. There we go. Neck and head, super effective.
Good girl. It's alright. We're together, so everything will be okay.
There we are. Down on the ground again. Alright. Do you have any barrels for you over here?
You'd think they'd give you one
Or
after
was that just a
shit.
dude walking by? Oh no, it's just a... What is that?
I think you've been in there. Can you go in there through this?
Yeah, I can totally go through that. But let me see what's over here first. I want to kind of check everything out before I go in there, because
Yeah.
I feel like that's ultimately where we're probably got to go. Ooh.
But there's nothing down there yet.
I'm going to check. I love this kid running downstairs. He just goes like fucking full out. He's like, he doesn't run downstairs. He just like controls his own falling.
Yeah.
Is really what it is. He's like, oh my god.
Thump, 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 thump.
What's this? Barrel.
Oh,
Yeah.
good job, John.
No, firmly grip it, sir. Firmly grasp it. Let's not fall out. Oh.
Ooh.
Alright, let's go.
We found you something. Got a treat for Fezziwig.
She will enjoy.
Yeah,
Hopefully.
hopefully.
A treat for jumping on that dude's corpse.
Good girl, you killed that guy.
She made sure he was dead.
Yep, she made extra sure because she wanted to protect you.
She's a good girl.
Yeah, she's a good girl. I like
Yeah.
to think it's because she wants to protect you, not just because she hates those motherfuckers.
She's a murderous beast. Alright, so totally worth going over there. You good girl. She's like, what? What's this?
She likes it.
Good girl. Alright, let me go check out this thing. I'm going to eventually, after I think we're going to go to the other side, I'm going to ride her across probably.
Yeah.
But let me see what's in here first. Or I got to open this gate. I'm not sure yet. Which? It's going to be... Is there a... I was looking for a...
Switch or a barrel?
a pole. Yeah, like a pole. Up you go, kid. That should have really been an issue for you, but okay. Okay, steps. I'm trying not to, like, fall.
Ooh.
Oh.
Couple of crates.
Yeah, but she's got to destroy the crates.
So you're going to have to get her in here somehow, I think.
Or I got to push them somewhere and push something on top of them.
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh!
Oh, hey, where did you come from?
What? Oh, okay.
Here, have a crate of barrels.
Yeah, I don't know if she can... I think I have to break it open.
Oh, no, she knows what's up.
Oh, yep, she's good.
She's good. She's a big dragon cat bird dog.
Alright, what's up here? So this... Like, why do I have crates that I can push around? Because I'm just going to climb on her. Like, it doesn't...
I don't know.
Where the fuck did she come from? What? Did it... There's no way she should have been able to come through any of this. Oh, it's open now. No, it's not open.
I don't know.
She shouldn't have been able to come through, I'm pretty sure. Whatever.
Well, she's here now, so...
Come here, girl.
That barrel's too close to the pole, I think.
Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. Oh, wait. No, she's got it. Pull it. Well, we'll find a way. Calm down. Get your barrel. Okay.
She's got one more barrel.
She's certainly taking her time eating some barrels. Oh, so it's finally going to let me issue commands? Is that maybe it?
Alright, well, we'll play with issuing commands in the next episode.
Yep.
While we try and find our way out of this place with our baby. So, we will see you guys next time.
Yep.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey everybody, this is J2A. We just want to say thanks for watching our video.
We appreciate any and all support we get from viewers, new and returning.
If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.
Thanks again, and we'll catch you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.